y'all, so we're going to be making this little guy, and the other day I tried to make him on the coaching group, and I had the wrong size of staples, and I stapled right through his belly. All right, so I am trying to find a piece of ribbon or a piece of like cardboard. So I'm just gonna play with him, and then we're gonna do some bows, because bows are hot right now. I see a lot of people's Etsy shops are kind of blowing up with the bows right now, so. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna put these two together, and I'm gonna hang it down low. Pray to goodness that it really does not go through, because I probably would cry. If it goes through, Frankie was not meant to be. That is what I do know. Oh shoot, fire and burn. It just, oh, it did not go through. Tammy. Okay. Oh, thank the Lord. All right. So what I'm going to do is a little bit different than what I was doing the other day. Now, I took in creative coaching, if you guys ever join creative coaching, or if you are in creative coaching, I did a video working with the sign extender. I want you to go look at that, because you can easily work with the sign extender and door hangers and do the same thing, but this is a much simpler format, what I'm doing here tonight. Much more simple. Okay, so we have this door hanger, and two of the colors that really stick out to me are purple and orange. And then you have this black and white stripe, which rocks my face off. So I'm really wanting to just do short tails. Well, maybe not super short, but like 24 inches. And I'm not going to do a ton of them. Well, I say that, but you know. So I usually do 9 tails is what I like to do. That's kind of what I've been sticking with. And these are not 36 inches. I'm only doing 24 inches. But I like to do 3 of each. I think they're so fun. I'm just going to add a couple of those in. I don't know where, but I am. We'll see. All right, so what I'm going to do, because this is pretty thick, I think I'm going to do it along the bottom to help me with stapling. I think that's what I'm going to do. Because I don't have any other cardboard stuff long enough. I'm taking 2 ribbons. And I'm just going to come as close as I can right here. I'm going to let that be kind of my buffer. I got this idea from Jordan. I saw him do it at the event, at our workshop. So I'm going to be using, and I'm doing them upside down. So I'm just going to do these. I kind of don't want to do those. I am going to. I like this pattern. So I'm going to do this pattern. And I'm just laying them on top of one another. An orange one. These are just super fun to do. I just think it's something different. Right? Just like that. What it's allowed us to do is have these streamers. These are fun. Have these streamers coming down through this, right? So stinking fun. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something else, because I think it would be super fun to do this part, so I'm going to do it. You know how sometimes you put your hair in a pony? Okay, you put your hair in a pony. Are y'all following me? And sometimes there's little pieces that stick down. These are going to be the little pieces. I'm going to do like 9 of these. I think this is going to be like a double layered one. This is going to be so cute. Okay, so I'm going to add these right on top of these. This is going to be cute. Okay, so I'm just going to line up like 10 or 15 of these. And I'm just stapling them next to each other. I think it's so cute. Listen, staples are my love language. Okay, now let's see what this looks like, okay? So now I flip this. Now let's see. Oh my gosh. Now I'm not leaving all these that long. I like seeing the little ones in the front. Now what you can do to give this some extra texture and depth is you could come over here and listen. I wouldn't deal with it. I would just kind of curl them up. 24 inches is a really good number to do these. 24 inches. It's plenty long enough. You don't need 36. So I just took these door hangers. I did some really fun streamers. Okay, and we're not twirling every single one of them. You can, but to make them stick, it's not gonna, it's gonna be a little bit tighter to make them stick. It does look really cool though, I will tell you. I think I would put some starch. I would personally, if I wanted these to stay more. But they are wired, so now, oh my gosh, I'm in love. I think it's so cute. I think it's a great alternative to a door hanger. So I do think I kind of do like them all straight after seeing it. I do kind of like them whimsy. I like them. I don't know if I like them with the kink in them like I thought I would. But you could pull them out like this. Y'all see me doing that? You could absolutely pull them out. And there's many different things you could do. Y'all, you don't have to do all of that. You could leave it just like that and just let it be a door hanger. What if, I'm just saying, would this not be so stinking cute if it looked like he had 2 legs sticking down underneath there? That's what this reminds me of. It reminds me of like his legs are underneath there because of the way he's holding that bow. Boo, not bow. Boo.